Welcome back to the channel. This is my video of the BMW R1300 GS test ride I did in 2024, just last month really, but we're now into 2025. Did I like it? Did I hate it? Was it average? Was it brilliant? Stick around, find out.
I'm the black country biker with a soul wild and free. Roaming the open road.
Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Last year, myself and Mona, Jace, went out and test rode the new BMWs, the 1300s. He had the GSA, I had the GS. Unfortunately, the comms on the day were terrible, and I was testing a new mic called the Hollyland Lark 2, which is great for stills like this and in your iPhone or your Android. However, for motorcycle vlogging at speed, it was terrible. I had an issue with the transmitter flying out of the camera. It took me 10 minutes to find it, and then I thought I'm just going to have to do a bit to camera before I show the video. So I will show the video and I will talk to you again from here after the ride. Okay, so stick with me and you'll get my thoughts at the end. Cheers.
Right, here I am. It's Shrewsbury finally. That's the bike Jace is on. And that's the one I'm riding. The white one. We shall see. Right, okay. Got to get fuel. There's 50 miles in this, and I've got it for well, should have been 2 hours, but my sat nav on the has played up. The screen is very, no electrics on this one. I don't think it's probably got. I'll have a play with it in a minute. Okay, right, first feelings are, I feel I up. It seems very very stiff. I am in dynamic. Let's change it to road. Oh, that's rain. That's no good. Road. Okay, we're in road mode, so once we're out in the sticks, I'll give it a speed test. Let's get that screen back up. Hardly any screen there anyway, to be honest with you. Mirrors are good. I do like the feel of it. It like I say, it feels very firm, I have to say. Yeah, I like it so far. They've given me one with a bust clutch lever. Someone dropped it. They had the ASA one there, so yeah, this is the manual gearbox one. I think me and Jace are going to head out towards Montgomery and have a cup of tea.
Okay, this is the one I've just been out on. The R1300 GS. It is the basic model. I was saying, you're now good for two up this seat. However, John said this one here, this triple black, that's got the comfort package. You can see how different that is to the standard. It's a nicer looking bike as well, that white one. To be fair, I wasn't that impressed with that. I wouldn't be swapping mine for that. There's no way on this earth that I'd be chopping my bike in for this one. The screen on it is tiny, pointless. It goes well, it rides nice, but the gearbox is now different to R1250s. That's the one Jace has just been out on, which I'm going out on the 21st. 719 GS8. What do you think of it? I'm videoing you. What do you think of it,
Very
mate?
GSA like.
Yeah,
It's tightened up a little bit, but it's not too dissimilar to the 12.
to yours.
Yeah. Gearbox and that's a little bit smoother, a little bit more torque.
Yeah,
Would I pay the money? No. I'd
No.
stay with the 1250 for now.
yeah, I'm the same. I'd stay with my 1250. I do like the triple black in the showroom, which is the same as that one there. But that one, even if they said you can have it for 10 grand or a straight swap, I wouldn't do it. There's no way. Like I say, it rides nice, but it ain't for me, that one. I'm test riding this one on the 21st, and we'll see how we go with that. But at the minute, I'm more than happy with my bike. Jace is more than happy with his bike. They're going to have to go a long way to tempt us into part chopping for these new models, especially with the part chop money and the price of the new ones. But yeah, it's that's it. We've got wet. We were late getting back, but John was good as gold. Nice bloke. Okay, that particular bike, the basic one, in my opinion, was a complete waste of my time and effort. Going all that distance to Shrewsbury from here. It's about, I don't know, 25, 30 miles. And there's no way on earth I would swap that bike for my R1300 GS. There's just no comparison for me. There's no comparison whatsoever. I would not even, if they said to me, you can have that for 10 grand, or we'll give you a straight swap on your 1250, no way. Now, the one I wanted to test ride was the triple black with the comfort pack on. That had got the ASA gearbox. So I would like to try that. But the basic standard one is a no-no for me. I think if BMW want people to buy these bikes, obviously you've got to give more for what's coming in, and you've got to drop the prices on these new things, and do not let people test ride that basic bike because it's like being on a motocross. Now, don't get me wrong, I love motocross. I had them as a kid, but the comfort on it is there's no comfort. The screen is pointless. You might as well have a tea bag in front of you. Now, if that's what you like, fantastic. That ain't for me. I just thought I wasted my time, really. The GSA, I was going to go back and test ride that. Unfortunately, snow stopped play on that one, so that was put to bed. So I've still not test ridden the GSA. I would like to go back and test ride the triple black with the comfort pack on, more screen, and then I've got a feel for the bike. But I've got no feel for it. Bikes are supposed to blow you away, make you go, wow, I love this bike. I'll be honest, I don't even like it, let alone love it. The gearbox was so clunky on the auto blip coming down. I went from fourth into third, and the jolt was that bad. I went forward and I had to really grip on tight because I nearly lost control. Now, maybe it's a new bike, and it's probably best to test ride BMWs 18 months or buy one 18 months after they bring out the new model, because we all know they have massive issues and they use us as guinea pigs. We're the ones who did the testing on them, and then they did all the recalls, and that'll iron it out in the end, but not for me at the minute. But we'll look forward to the GSA, and we'll see that hopefully soon. I think I'll be popping to Wolverhampton now that certain people have left that place. It's a much better place to be. The staff are happier, and there's deals to be had, I think, whereas before there weren't. In the width of these bikes, my R1250 compared to Jace's GSA is the difference between Mackenzie Crook and Arnold Schwarzenegger. Now, that bike I test rode was like a stick insect compared to a bullfrog. It was tiny. It was tiny compared to mine. But like I say, I might be doing it a disservice, but the standard, the basic white one, forget it. You know, I know we've all got budgets, and I'm cutting my cloth at the minute. That's why I've still got my 1250. And saying that, I do love that bike. Say a bike is supposed to give you like a wow factor. I'll still go in the garage just to look at my 1250 when the days of the snow on the ground, just to look at it. Of course, I love the bike. I love the bike. I ain't had that with the 1300 from the day it was launched up until this current day, and now we're into 2025. But I will be test riding another GS and a GSA at Wolverhampton. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will put some stills up of the width of my 1250 and the 1300 from my perspective as a rider. So yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one, and Happy New Year to you all. Cheers.
Country biker.